Hello. Uh-oh. Just had the headlight fall. Must have loosened up. The bolt's still there. So if we get to one of those repair stations, I'll have to bring a couple of, or use a wrench, tighten that up. Hello. So here's the elevator. Yeah, it's hard to believe. It just goes to show you that you have to basically make sure everything's tight before you go riding. Thank you. Let's see if there's one here. Yep, there is, actually. So we'll go ahead and do a repair job on here. Well, could not repair that light. The bracket actually broke in half. That's unreal. So I'm gonna have to call my friend. Let me see if he's home. All right, so let's get going here again. So I called my friend who doesn't live too far from here, and he is on his way home from the airport, so I was right, he was flying. But he's gonna bring down some tie wrap so I can tie wrap this light out of the way. I can't believe that thing broke. The bracket, it was not steel, probably aluminum, and it could not withstand the bumps. So there's a strike against Himiway. I'm gonna have to get a steel bracket and put it on there so it doesn't break next time. Coming around your left side. And here's something that's weird. I had turned it off. I turned the display off and turned it back on. Now it's telling me there's 100% battery left. Now that's not right, because I know I was down to 90%. And sometimes batteries do rejuvenate themselves a little bit, but I wouldn't think they'd go back to 100%. So I'm gonna have to watch that pretty carefully. So I should be coming up on the spot where I'm gonna meet my friend, so I'm gonna change out the battery to the GoPro and get that all set to go home. Alright, so here is Campground Road, which is where he's going to meet me. And I'm going to turn around here. So this is where we're gonna stop. All right, so you're on camera now.
All right.
So this is my friend Rock. I don't know if you can see his whole face and everything.
You do?
But he just brought me some tie wraps, and we just fixed this light. So it's tie wrapped to this cable right here. So I'm gonna have to replace the angle bracket that's on here. Right here, this angle bracket. You can see it right here. All right, so I'm gonna get going. So I have these lights. I have these lights going like that.
Trip, and you know, you can always count on our road service.
Well, I'll give you an extra glass of wine on Sunday.
All right, you'll drive me back home too?
I don't think so. We'll have to stay on the couch.
All right.
But thank you very much.
Have fun, enjoy.
Yep.
It's a beautiful day.